Hello students, welcome to all of you. After successful completion of your periodic test, I hope you are now fresh and fair, and in the continuation of your study, we are going to start that is previous chapter, atoms and molecules, and in this very chapter I have already taught you what is an atom, what is molecule, what are the examples of these two, and more especially that is what are the laws of chemical combination. That I have also explained in previous turn in detail. That is, what is law of conservation of mass and what is law of definite or constant proportion, and these two laws were expressed with the help of a suitable activity or with suitable example. So I hope you have learned it, and now in today's lecture we are going to one more important point of this very topic, that is Dalton's atomic theory. In the same chapter, atom and molecule, in this video we are going to learn about Dalton's atomic theory. So before proceeding about Dalton's atomic theory, I would like to once again remind you about atoms. So children, clearly it has been explained that an atom is the unit of all the chemical reactions, because they take part in every chemical reaction, and more significantly it can be stated that atoms are the building blocks of matter. Okay, and atoms more significantly can be defined as atoms are the small particles of an element that cannot be further divided and retains all the chemical property of that element, called an atom. Alright children, so on the basis of knowledge of atom and keeping also in mind laws of chemical combination, a British chemist John Dalton in 1808, John Dalton who was British chemist provided a theory related to atoms on the basis of laws of chemical combination called Dalton's atomic theory. And according to Dalton, all matter, whether an element or compound or a mixture, is made up of very small or teeny particles called atoms. Alright? And the main postulates of this Dalton's atomic theory can be given like as. So first postulate of Dalton atomic theory is matter, listen sincerely, listen and write, matter is the small particle of an element, or you can say matter is made up of very teeny particles called atoms. First postulate of Dalton atomic theory is matter is made up of very small or teeny particles called atoms. Okay. Second postulate of this theory is atoms are indivisible. Atoms, second postulate, listen sincerely, atoms are indivisible means atom cannot be further divided. Okay, this is the second postulate of Dalton atomic theory. Third postulate, atoms are indestructible. Listen, third postulate or third atomic theory of Dalton is that is atoms are indestructible, means they can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Alright? Once again I am repeating statement of third postulate or third statement of Dalton atomic theory, that is atoms are indestructible, means that they can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Alright? Next statement of this theory is that is atoms of a particular elements are identical or same in all the respect. Listen, fourth postulate of Dalton atomic theory states that atoms of a particular element are identical or same or similar in all respect, and similar in all respect means they possess same size, same shape, same mass and similar chemical properties. Understand? The statement is very clear that atoms of a particular element are identical in all respect, and identical in all respect means they have similar shape, they have similar size, they have similar mass and they possess similar chemical property. This is the main point of this postulate. Alright? Next number or next postulate of this theory is this postulate states that the atom of one element, listen sincerely, atom of one element differ from the atom of other element in all respect. Once again I am repeating this statement, atom of one element differs from the atom of other element in all respect. Meaning behind this statement is that if two atoms of a different elements are taken, then they will be differ in shape, they will be differ in size, they will be differ in their mass, and also their chemical property will also differ. This is the meaning behind this statement. Understand children? Next statement of this atomic theory is that is atoms combine together in a small whole number to form compound. Listen, this is the crucial statement. Atoms combine together in a small whole number to form a compound. Meaning behind this is, suppose I writing one compound H2O. So this compound is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. So their ratio of combination is what? That is 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is to 16. Means that they are combining together in the ratio 2 is to 16, or in the simplest way they combine together in 1 is to 8. Means always whatever the source by which this H2 or water is obtained, no matter, always they will combine together in a definite ratio, that is 1 is to 8 by mass, and then form compound. This is the meaning of this very statement. So students, this is your Dalton's atomic theory. Must remember, must keep in mind, and that will be utilized in the upcoming part of this very chapter. So remember them. What is Dalton's atomic theory, and who provided the Dalton atomic theory, and what was the basis of this Dalton atomic theory. And in next part of this chapter we have to study how the symbol of elements are represented. and what is the size of atom, what is the size of that is nucleus, or how atoms are big or small. So that we will study in next lecture. So this is all about Dalton's atomic theory and atoms. Remember them properly. And in next lecture we will study about symbols of elements and their representing manner. So that's all. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.